Oh, can't find it. Oh. No, don't crush that, dwarf. Hand me the oh, good. I'm on camera again. It's me, Audrey. I thought you didn't think that I was gone, did you? Of course not. This is my time of year, and boy, do I have a great experiment for you. Let me get it out of my experiment bag here. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got. Oh, this little guy is. Got that little guy. Oh, here we go. Look at this. I found this at Target. I am going to create my own monster. Oh, yes, and it's going to be so scary, and it's going to be so squishy. And, then there's this, where you can mold your own squishy. So we'll see how that goes. So just stay tuned. Oh, it's alive. It's alive. With this monster, I will rule the world. No, you're not supposed to be cute. No, you're supposed to be scary. Come on now. Mommy. This always happens when I create a monster. Well, I guess I'll just have to move on to the squishy goop. Let's see how that goes. with this thoroughly evil, black, iridescent glitter slime. I will rule the world. That the initial experiment didn't work out, but I figured out how to fix it. Turns out that color changing glue changes color, but it doesn't turn into slime. So I added regular clear glue, and then I added some of this food coloring that I found at Walmart. It's black. And then I added this glitter that I got at Target. And the glitter is orange, but it makes it look just this weird iridescent thing. So look at this. This is an awesome slime. This is one of the best slimes I've ever created. Woo! And with it, I will rule the world. Doesn't matter what Christine thinks. I will rule the world. Yes. Yes. Well, thank you for watching my experiments. And if you like them, you might want to give them a thumbs up. And you might want to click subscribe, because that subscribes you automatically to my channel, Audrey's Laboratory, as well as Christine's channel. I want to tell everybody to, like as always, go out and make hideous mutant experiments. Oh, but safely, of course. Any of you junior mad scientists need to be supervised by an adult mad scientist. Okay? We're good on that? We're good on that? Okay. So, go out and rule the world with your hideous experiments.